10 fresh cases of COVID-19 reported from 4 districts of Nagaland today. Total caseload of the virus just 12 away from 1,000 mark. A record single-day jump of 38,902 COVID-19 cases pushes India's tally to 10.77 lakh today. A total of 6,77,422 patients have recuperated from the infection. And Prime Minister calls up Assam Chief Minister today to discuss various issues including the floods, COVID-19 and Bagjan oil well fire. Well, those were the headlines. Hello and welcome to this news broadcast from News and Trends. We begin this bulletin by taking a look at the COVID-19 update from the state. Nagaland registered 10 fresh COVID-19 positive cases this afternoon, taking the state's total tally from the infection to 988. State's Health and Family Welfare Minister Espangi Pom in his updated on Twitter said, out of 79 samples tested, 10 positive cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed, 6 in Kohima, 2 in Mokokchung and 1 each in Dimapur and Nagaland. The minister, however, did not specify whether the cases were detected from quarantine centers or otherwise. Health officials, on the other hand, said that 4 known frontline workers have tested positive for COVID-19 from among the 6 reported cases today from Kohima, 2 others from quarantine centers. Among the 4 non-frontline workers, 2 are reportedly from Naga Bazar and 1 each from D Block and Chanmari. The officials said that contact tracing and containment measures have been initiated. With the addition of 6 new cases, Kohima's tally of COVID-19 cases stand at 193. 86 persons have recovered and there are now 107 active cases. Dimapur, the worst hit district in terms of the number of positive cases, is now reported 386, while 161 patients have recovered. Active cases now stand at 224, out of which 1 patient is mild and another patient is moderate in terms of the severity of the case. Meanwhile, in Dimapur, the test result of an elderly patient who was admitted to Eden Medical Center, Dimapur, yesterday has returned positive for COVID-19 today, according to official sources. According to reports, the hospital is awaiting directives from concerned authorities for further course of action. The hospital's intensive care unit was sealed yesterday and its OPD services were suspended until further notice. With the addition of 2 fresh cases, Mokokchung's tally has now reached 7 with no recoveries as yet. Parents' tally of COVID-19 positive cases stand at 247 with 139 recoveries. Active cases in that district stand at 107 with 1 patient mild as per the severity of the case. A total of 3 persons have been affected by the virus in Nagaland district. In terms of district-wise domicile data of positive cases, Peren has reported the highest with 324 cases, followed by Dimapur with 288, Kohima with 121, Mon 108, Twensang 49, Fek 18, Wokha 11, Zinaboto 7, Mokokchung 5, 4 from Kifri, 5 from Nagaland and others 46. A total of 13 more persons who had previously tested positive for COVID-19 have now tested negative. The total caseload in the state is just 12 away from the 1,000 mark, and the status as of 3 p.m. this afternoon stand at total 988, active 543 and recovered at 445. The recovery rate stand at 45.04%. Meanwhile, Nagaland Chief Minister has announced that he has tested negative for COVID-19. Taking to Twitter yesterday evening, Rio tweeted, and I quote him, "I have tested negative for COVID-19. However, I'll continue to be vigilant, take all necessary precautions and complete the quarantine period." Unquote. Rio, along with Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Niba Krono and Agriculture Minister G. Kaito Aye, PRO to Chief Minister Rasamtong Longkamer and OSD Security to Chief Minister Kenesa Dahau had arrived from Delhi on July 16 and went into self-quarantine. Meanwhile, sources informed that all 4 of the CM's companions also tested negative for COVID-19 on Saturday and will complete their quarantine period. A second test will be conducted on completion of the quarantine period, sources added. India saw a record single-day jump of 38,902 COVID-19 cases, pushing its tally to 10,77,618 today, while the total number of recoveries increased to 6,77,422 according to the Union Health Ministry data. The death toll due to the disease rose to 26,816, with new 543 fatalities, even as 23,672 patients have recuperated in the past 24 hours, the highest so far in a day, the updated data at 8 a.m. showed. The Ministry of Health said that 11 most COVID-19 affected countries in the world, the United States, Brazil, Russia, Peru, Chile, Mexico, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Iran, Pakistan, Spain together reported 8 times more cases and 14 times more deaths than India. There are 3,73,379 active cases presently in the country. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of cases, followed by Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The number of COVID-19 cases has gone up to 22,918 in Assam, 2,654 in Tripura, 1,891 in Manipur. Arunachal Pradesh has reported 650, Meghalaya has 418 cases, Mizoram 284 and Sikkim has registered 275 infections so far. The overall number of global COVID-19 cases has topped 14.2 million mark, while the deaths have increased to more than 6.02 lakh according to the Johns Hopkins University. As of this morning, the total number of cases stood at 1,42,86,608, while the fatalities rose to 6,02,092, the university revealed in its updated data. The United States accounted for the world's highest number of infections and fatalities at 37,11,359 and 1,40,119 respectively. Brazil came in the second place with 20,74,860 infections and 78,772 deaths. In terms of cases, India ranks third, followed by Russia, Peru, Chile, Mexico, South Africa, the United Kingdom and Iran, making up the top 10 countries infected by the virus. In other news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called up Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal today and discussed various issues including the floods, COVID-19 and Bagjan oil well fire. Sarbananda Sonowal apprised the Prime Minister of the prevailing conditions and measures being undertaken by the Assam government. The Prime Minister assured all help to Assam to tackle the situations. Meanwhile, the flood situation in the state improved, but 27 lakh people are affected in 25 districts. 81 persons have lost their lives so far due to floods. Relief measures are being taken by the administration on war footing. 85% of the areas of the Kaziranga National Park is still submerged, and the park authorities have rescued 134 animals so far. Well, that's all we have time for in this edition of News Broadcast. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Facebook page as well, and stay updated with the latest news from around the world, the country, the region and from the state as well. Meanwhile, stay safe, practice safe health hygiene and maintain social distancing wherever you are. But most importantly, take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching.